Sorkar jelah hapok kejinglamu Konrad Kongkal Sangma bat Sorkar Assam hapok kejinglamu Himanta Biswa Sarma. Haka kat arterik Kuala Lengkot Kileshe Megarai baha lanishwa ka arpui terik Kuala Lengkot arhajar arpuar. Kini kenduk biang ban She Megarai ke bakat do haka bedai bat kejing penbet yoput usam. Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejelam Meghalaya ubah pres Tuntun Song habai keren bat kinong patai kubor. Hadin balawai kejingelang ha Guwahati, urang ba kejingelang jongki arngut ke Menteri Rangba kelapoi syaga jingis ngothok jengmut ha kabedai bat kejaka ke balawan banjurep ha kejaka kaput. Bat labetha aru ya broar ki Sorkar jela ban penkrek ka kaipot ke Bapura bat ki Menteri Rangba kan se kenduk biang bat kin ledru mene kenduk ya Menteri Korbari ke Sorkar Prengu Amit Shah. Bat on dalawan pai kin siasoi ke jinget tek kular bat on sapen merapat ba ekanish ki pat ba ka Meghalaya bat ka Assam.
Today again one more meeting we had a very detailed inclusive meeting between both the honorable chief ministers, Chief Minister of Assam and Chief Minister of Meghalaya, and I would like to inform you that more or less we almost completed to reach to the agreement in those areas which ever we already inspected. And now again both the chief ministers has directed the concerned government to bring out all the detailed report, and thereafter one more meeting will be there between the two chief ministers, and thereafter they will be meeting even the honorable Union Home Minister, and hopefully maybe on the 20th or before 21st maybe they'll come back and then final agreement will be made public to both the state of Assam and Meghalaya. So this is the meeting that we had today.
Apa ini sir bagani ka jingwan nama ka mentang yang ikun beput yang ikun. Nai nakalang Sorkar Assam perkenang kanang kan put la ne ka penwet ki development jong kan jong ka Sorkar.
Okay, ya kan ya kan irung la keren. Men don katukan ni ki issues ka ba ka don ka JJM project jong kitu kisnong ka ha ba ka block 2. Te ya kan irung la keren. Te nakalang jong chief minister ka Assam he already assured laong ba unsa take care unsa instruction yaki concern district administration bat kumjuru yaki SPs haki district ki baper ba kanum jiasu kini ke nang nei smart
Long nang smart kin la hadin bag ladap agreement kin mulai issue.
Kanum not mata namar ya kan ni kala adon lepa ka standard agreement kalong ba habadon kitu ki issue kinu komot arteli kini district administration la kalong nak Assam la kalong Meghalaya kamot kin ya syong nang ta kin ya share ki issue brokoj kanang ba kanum don kan unu ki jikta hakabede berkaroi ka par jong kitu kisnong ki ba don ha kitu ki jaka ki ba long disputed. We had six areas or 6 sectors which we already started, and all these areas we discussed today, and as I said to you, very soon again both the chief ministers will sit down after getting all the detailed report from both the state government. They will sit down again, and thereafter they will take a final call. Yeah, that too, let us see, let us wait, because right now we are yet to cross the bridge. But right now we are focusing on these 6 areas. So therefore, let us focus ourselves on these 6 areas, and thereafter again both the chief ministers will take a call which date or which month should we again take up those remaining 6 areas. In fact, we wish, if it is possible, because Meghalaya State, we are going to celebrate our 50th year on the 21st of January. Hopefully, maybe before that, both the chief ministers will take a final decision on it.